Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is 9 pandas trick that data scientists use quietly. In today's video, I'm going to show you 9 pandas trick that data scientists use quietly in their day-to-day workflow. These are not flashy, but they make your data analysis faster, cleaner, and far more efficient. So let's unlock the hidden gems. So we'll start by the first one. So the first one is use df query method for clean filtering. So for this, firstly we need to import pandas as PD, and then we'll create a data frame. So this will create a data frame. So here we have create a data frame for name, and now similarly we'll create for the age. So here we have created for the age. So this is the data frame we created, and now we'll print it with the query. So here this will print the age which is greater than 25. So now query lets you filter rows using string operation, and you don't need to write more code. The code becomes cleaner and readable, and it is trusted heavily in data cleaning pipelines. So we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the output of this, and now we'll move on to the second one. So second one is to use assign method to add columns easily. So here what happens, assign method creates new columns without modifying the original unless reassigned, and this makes pipeline readable, and this works great in method chaining. So we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the output of this made easy. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is use rename method with dictionary. So here rename prevents messy column names, and you can rename multiple columns at once, very common when cleaning row CSVs. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see we have renamed the column here very easily. So now moving on to the next one. So the next one is use n largest to get top n values. So using this data frame, we'll find the n largest value. So this quickly gets the top n rows based on a column. It is faster and cleaner than sorting manually. It is used often in ranking tasks. So here we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the output, and similarly now moving on to the fifth one. So it is sample method to pick random rows. So it is very useful for quick checks of large data set, helps find annotations by sampling rows randomly, and also used for train, test and splitting. So we'll see its output. So here we can see its output. And now moving on to the next one, which is drop duplicates to clean data. So firstly we'll create a data frame. So this removes duplicate rows automatically, repeated rows, and this works column wise or with full row, essential in real data sets where duplicates are common. So we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the output of this. And now moving on to the seventh one, which is clipboard method to copy directly. So here what happens, this instantly copies a data frame to your clipboard, paste it directly into Excel sheet or stack. It is huge time saver when sharing small data samples. So here you can see how it worked. And now we'll move on to the next one. So the next one is use style to quick visual highlighting. So here this is great for exploring data inside Jupyter. highlights extremely values visually and makes spotting patterns easier. So to see its output, we have just created a simple data frame with name and score, and we can see the output how it highlighted. So now we'll move on to the next one. So the next one is use memory usage to see memory footprint. So how we'll use this? So basically this shows how much RAM your data frame uses, helps optimize large data sets, and data scientists use this when turning performance. So here we can see the output of this, and these were 9 pandas tricks that may look small, but trust me, data scientists rely on them every day-to-day analysis. It is faster and cleaner. So start using these in your own workflow and your pandas skills will jump instantly. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.